Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has classified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.49. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.38%. This equates to an average return of 0.91% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper segment of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $689.04 will initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 11.04% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 15.74% and positive 11.76%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 22.19%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 10.25% to positive 39.19% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $614.44 to $952.95. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock price down nearly 0.5% on Thursday. The Meta stock price decreased by nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, falling from $687.95 to $684.62. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.77%, with a low of $682.29 and a high of $694.38. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, showing an overall rise of 7.73% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also declined on the last day alongside the stock price, which can be considered a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price trends. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares exchanged for approximately $8.6 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $740.89, while the lowest recorded price was $442.65. Currently, the price stands at 7.59%, or $56.27, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making significant strides in its tech ventures, particularly in the areas of cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence, which could influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. Recently, Meta has proposed a comeback in the stablecoin arena, echoing its earlier ambitions with Libra. This renewed focus on cryptocurrencies could enhance investor sentiment, especially as cryptocurrencies become more ingrained in digital commerce. If successful, this initiative may diversify Meta's revenue streams, potentially leading to a boost in its stock price. In addition, Meta is testing artificial intelligence-generated 3-dimensional photos on Instagram, focusing on augmented and virtual reality experiences. This move not only demonstrates Meta's commitment to pushing technological boundaries, but also aligns with its advertising strategy, increasing user engagement and potentially driving higher advertising revenue. Moreover, analysts indicate that Meta's integration of artificial intelligence across its platforms will be crucial for growth in 2025. Increased engagement through innovative features can elevate Meta's appeal to advertisers, further supporting a positive trajectory for the stock. While some concerns arise regarding ongoing legal scrutiny of investor claims against the company, the broader market reaction appears to be optimistic. As technology stocks rally and Wall Street adjusts its forecasts upwards, Meta could benefit from this renewed market confidence, impacting its stock favorably in a growing tech landscape. Overall, as Meta navigates these advancements and challenges, its proactive strategies in cryptocurrency and engaging user experiences through artificial intelligence are poised to shape its stock performance significantly in both the near and distant future. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Meta a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is situated above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $663.78 and $602.58. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 0.484%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $586.50 and $585.77. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $586. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $585.77 and $516.25. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $12.09 between high and low, or 1.77%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.71%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels from Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.83. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $687.95. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $586. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Olivan Javier executed an insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of May, 2025, Olivan Javier again executed an insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted another insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Olivan Javier executed yet another insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -22.325. In total, insiders purchased 118,770 shares and sold 187,438 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $658.99, reflecting a decrease of 3.74%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Meta stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we anticipate that Meta will open higher by $2.48, starting at $687.10. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.